Alright guys, so today we're going to start working on the truck. As you guys saw in the previous video, we ended up buying it, brought it back home, got home safe. But first things first, man, we got to do something with this front end, man. I don't know how you guys feel about the black on the front end, but in my opinion, man, that shit has got to go. As you guys can see here on the left, we got our brand new grill we're going to slap on, and we're going to take the black off the bumper. So yeah guys, stay tuned, we're going to get started. Alrighty guys, quick update. I just took the whole front end off, took the grill, the headlights, and the bumper off. I'm about to start putting all the new stuff off, but I'm about to start putting all the new stuff on, but I've got to wait because there's a little ding over here that we're going to beat out. As you guys can see right there. So before I put everything on, we're going to make sure we get that dent out. And I'll give you guys an update on the body work on the passenger side door real quick. It's pretty smooth to me, man. Well guys, we're about to paint that. We're gonna paint the place where we did the body work, and we'll see you guys when we get that done. Alrighty guys, as y'all can see, man, we just put the new front end on. No more of that ugly black front end. Just changed it back to stock. And as you guys can see, we also finished the paintwork on the doors.